Oh, I'm so excited. It's finally happening. I'm here at IKEA trying to collect all the furniture together. Today, the furniture is being delivered to the new condo, to the Airbnb condo vlog. So you're going to see a transformation going from this empty blank canvas to a beautiful comfort wonderland. It's really a lot of fun. I really enjoy doing this. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm here at IKEA trying to collect all the furniture together. Luckily, Nelly created a list for me and itemized all the things, put the article number here, and this lovely lady here is helping me find all the items in the system and make sure what's available. And then actually with this, once this list is put together in the system, I can just take it and pay it, and it will facilitate the delivery of these items to my home, which is really good and really helpful. And then I just need to go into the market hall downstairs to get the smaller items like the lamps and just the decorational stuff and small knickknacks. But the big items that would be bulky for me to transport, it'll all get delivered home, which is really awesome. Wow, that went so well. Artie here was really so helpful and put this entire list together for me. All the furniture is going to be delivered in just 5 days, and I was able to get an assembly service for most of the things, so I don't have to put the furniture together myself. That's going to be super helpful. Oh, I'm so excited. It's finally happening. So now there's just a few items on this list, which are decorational things that I will be getting myself from the market hall. And I need to find a other solution for the bathroom because the item that Nelly had selected is not available. So I'm just going to find an alternative. That's a good thing with IKEA. There are a lot of alternatives to pick from. So let's go and check that out. Okay, I've come to the market hall and I'm just currently looking for everything that we need for the Airbnb, like pots, pans, dishes. And what I really love is you have these sets by IKEA where everything is in one. You don't have to think about every single item. I just get the box, all the pots and pans that I need are in this, and the same for dishes and plates. If you guys are enjoying today's vlog and are new around here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications and give the video a like. If you really want to support us on the channel, you can give us a super thanks. Your comment will be highlighted, you receive a small animation, and we'll respond to every comment. Thank you. Okay, I definitely feel like I'm getting somewhere. I'm winning. I got all the items off the list, almost all the items off the list. Everything that was available I was able to get. The majority is being delivered, but this cart that I have here is pretty much all that I have to transport home by myself, which means I don't have to book an additional transport service, which is great, quite frankly. I'm exhausted, but this has been a lot of fun. I'm gonna head now to the till and see what the damage is. I think it's gonna be quite a lot, but still, considering that I furnished the whole apartment in one day, not too bad. We can live here for the weekend. We can bed in Sunday dreaming. Here to stay inside the feeling. Here to stay. We can live here for the weekend. We can bed in Sunday dreaming. Here to stay inside the feeling. A few moments later. We can live a life here in paradise, so we're here to stay. Guys, I am so excited. Weeks and weeks of preparation have finally led up to this day. Today, the furniture is being delivered to the new condo, to the Airbnb condo, and actually everything is going to be set up today and in this vlog. So you're going to see a transformation going from this empty blank canvas to a beautiful comfort wonderland. Nelly and I put so much work into figuring out how to set this place up perfectly and to make it one of the most comfortable Airbnbs you can imagine in Manila, with this amazing view that you have out here. I am so excited. The delivery of the furniture is actually done by MOBA. It's a partner company of IKEA, and I was surprised that they were able to deliver the furniture so fast, from ordering and buying it in store to bringing it here. And actually they're going to take care of the assembly as well. I might assemble a few things myself just because I feel like doing something, and it is really easy to assemble IKEA furniture, but the price for having it assembled for you is so low that we decided just to go with the assembly service versus doing all the hard work by ourselves. All right, I'm gonna get the AC on here so it's nice and cool when the guys come in here. and yeah, I'm so excited.
Wake up, the world is smiling. Got the sun on my side today. Nothing can stop me shining. Feeling lucky in a big way. Soaking up every moment. Throw a cherry on your Sunday. Hands in the sky wide open. Yeah,
Alright, the first items have been assembled already. This is really, really exciting. What I love to see is always, you know, a room kind of looks small when there's no furniture inside, but then when you start bringing in furniture, it starts looking bigger and bigger, and that's just one of those exciting moments when decorating an apartment. It's really a lot of fun. I really enjoy doing this. Right, just a little while later, we have some amazing progress in here. A lot of the furniture is already assembled. You have the cabinets here, the bed just was finished assembled, the couches here, the outside furniture. These guys are super, super fast. You guys are doing an amazing job. Thank you. So now slowly starts the challenge of, ooh, this is very comfy. So now it's going to start the challenge of figuring out where exactly to place the furniture, because we have a general idea. IKEA did give us some very good guidance on where to put the items, but now we're going to get into the details, which is like more exciting, I guess.
Life is better on the bright side. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I see it all in a new light. Life is better on the bright side. But out here the grass is greener. The sky is always bright blue. The ocean's a little deeper, if you can see it like I do. Can't think of nothing better, so come up, enjoy the view. Feels like the perfect weather for every dream to come true. Life is better on the bright side. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I see it all in a new light. Life is better on the bright side. Life is better. It's better on the bright side. Life is better. Better on the bright side.